Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Instagram highlight without a name. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now I know when you create a highlight, if you don't even choose a name, it will default to highlights, which is not great. Maybe you just don't want a name. You just want the image bubble there, so somebody will check on the highlight, but you don't really want to name it. You can do so by kind of tricking Instagram, and I'll walk you through those steps. Now let's open up Instagram, and you can see I can tap new here, and I will just choose this image of my girlfriend right here. Now this is where you can select a name, and you can see highlights is right there. If I don't choose anything, it will just default to highlights, which is not really what I wanted. So to do that, and create an empty blank name, let's hop out of here and open up Safari or Chrome or something like that, and we're just going to type in blank character. Now I like this first option, compart, so I'm going to select that, and you can see that it has a braille character here. I'll just tap and hold on this square and hit copy. So this is going to copy a blank space that we'll use as the name and create an empty name on Instagram. So I'm going to switch over to Instagram and paste it in that name here. You can see it pasted, but it's blank, and I can just hit add at the top right here, and you can see now it has added that highlight there with the name at the bottom. I can always go back to older highlights, just tap on the highlight, tap more at the bottom right, and then tap edit highlight, and you might see this name here. You can always just go in that name and paste in that exact same character and remove out that name and just have a blank name there. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.